why is this not working? Why is my thing not going up? This is annoying. There we go. Should be working now. So yeah guys, if anybody is watching, I am currently short. Oh. Right, nice, so stop is now at break even. Just gonna let this trader run a little bit more and then I'm gonna close half. I'll close half here. Right, nice. So we've closed half this trade out now. Stops are at break even and we're just running risk free now. Next target's going to be 156.4. I'm just going to extend my take profit down to this low all the way down here. Just because we could completely run today, there's a possibility. So I'll just prepare for that. Yeah, cheeky dub. Very early. I mean, I actually started this trade before I started streaming, but yeah. Nice little dub. Unfortunately, I'm trading on lower risk at the moment because I lost. So I won my last trade, and then before that I lost the last two, so I had to drop the risk. So P&L wise, not a massive profit, but you know, still a dub. Can't complain. I basically traded this as a fake out, so if you drop down to the 30, you'll see we closed above on the 30 and then the next candle closed below. I had my entry on the break of the 30-minute low here. Candle wicked up, I placed my sell stop, came down, filled me, and then yeah, the rest is history. If you look at it on the hourly, you can see it's the fake out of this level here. We've also faked out previously. But yeah, gonna we'll close half here. And then what's gold looking like? It's looking okay. We could take a fake out trade here maybe as well. I didn't bother with the intro today because didn't have time. you guys hear me okay? Should be good. gonna grab a bite to eat, guys. One sec. The camera, you'll be on the camera.
What?
You'll be on the camera. What did you get? What do you want? I'll just move the camera. Well, what? Shoot back. Move the camera away from the other one. Right, I'm back, guys. Anybody here? Anybody in the chat? Nope. Not right now. You sleepy people. You're sleepers, man. So guys, we might get a setup on gold if we can get a little fake out. So if we can close below, maybe on the 30, if we come down, close below, next candle close above, I'll look to take some buys. And for GJ, probably just going to see how this position goes for now. There's no reason why this can't drive any lower. Yeah, I don't see any reason why we can't at least come down to this area here, if not lower. So we'll just see what it does. See what it does. I'll close if we manage to get down to, I want to say 156.4. I'll close another 20. I'll close 25% of the last 50% that I've left on, and I'll leave 25% to run for however far we go. Depending on the price action, if we get a nice hourly close below this red level I've marked here, then I will keep a bit running. But if we don't, if we kind of range around here, I'll just close the full trade out. But yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna do. Anybody watching? We got one viewer. We got one. Put some Drizzy on. I know you guys like a bit of Drake. Probably just going to be chilling now, guys, for a while. Just going to chill. You know, we got New York Open in about an hour and 15 minutes. We might get some more volume coming into New York, some pre-New York volume. Maybe we can push lower here. And yeah, that's pretty much it for now. God, GJ has absolutely collapsed. Like, look at this. Did the same thing here. Just doing it again. Like on a daily. Yep. Absolutely just gone. I wouldn't be surprised if we come test these lows on the hourly, on the 4 hour, sorry. That's why I've got my TP down there. So, if you're wondering where my stop loss was above this. Oh, I based it on the 30 minutes, so it was above this candle here. So yeah, that's where my stop was. But obviously my stop is at break even right now. Yeah, it's going to be interesting if price can push past here, because it might get caught in this little range. See this range over here back in the start of January, it might kind of get stuck in there again. We'll see. I'd expect it to come down to the bottom of the range though. If you class the range as this kind of area here from 157.239 down to 156.483. If we are going to stay in here and not break out to the downside, I'd at least expect us to reach this level down here I've marked in red. That's why I've marked it as my next level to take profits, not this area here. Yeah, this is just chill. We've taken some money off the table, stops at BE, like emotions are not a problem right now. How's your new shit and I'm kissing my teeth. But they don't know nothing about me. That's my brother's deep. Be interesting to see how this hourly candle closes here. Ideally, we close below, we want to close below 156.7, but ideally we close below this level just here. It's kind of more minor level. Even if we don't, I still think we're good to drive. If you look at this trade on a higher time frame, it's just super bearish, like crazy bearish. So yeah. Airbnb notification. Are we going to close bearish, guys? Are we going to close to this level? Is it going to happen? Got 5 minutes left. Should we do a bit of AI? Let's have some fun with the AI. Alright. Let's do ginger man in sunglasses sat at sitting at a desktop. Let's have a look what this creates, guys. Jeez, look at these. That is sick. Might have to use that as a new thumbnail, you know. That is crazy. That is mad. Let's save that. Alright. Let's do imagine ginger man in sunglasses trading markets on a computer. Falling from sky, background, and let's do cyberpunk. See what this creates. Here we go. What's it made? Jeez, that is sick. Oh, I'm gonna have to use one of these actually. That is crazy. That is crazy. Let's get rid of the money falling from the sky in the background. Let's just do sync wave. Oh, it's looking like we're not going to close through. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. I mean, we're still good to drive down. There's no reason why we can't push down based on the half hour and based on the hourly. We might create a bit of a top wick, but our entry point's quite high up, so we should be good. I think the price is still good to drive down. So yeah, we'll just let this run. And as for any new trades, yeah, we're gonna have to see. Maybe we can get a trade on gold. We'll see how it plays. Probably want to take a trade actually from here. The fake out. I'd rather get the fake out from here. But yeah. Let's see what it created. Wow, look at these. That's crazy. I like this one. This one's cool. This one as well. We'll save these. Got some good good images right now. Did I save all of these? Guys, AI is actually crazy. You need to hop on this if you're not already. It's kind of the future, I think. Body in the chat. Nope. Yeah, should be good to continue driving right now. Don't see any reason why we wouldn't. Until at least down here, it might struggle around here at 156.628. We might struggle to break through there, but I would expect us to come down to 156.45. That is my expectation. But I mean, we've run these lows now, so there's a chance we come back up and create a double bottom. That is a possibility, and you know, test this level again. But I have a feeling price wants to drive lower, come test these lows down here, so we'll see how it plays. It's possible we come and test these lows down here, but we actually, you know, wick up first and hit some people's stop losses, hit my entry, which is where my stop is now. That is also possible. But all we can do is see what happens, and yeah, that is all we can do. As for gold, so gold has come down. I originally had my level here, so for me it closed below, but I think I'm looking for it to, it's hard to say, like, I really don't want to get in along on the half hour. I'd rather get in along on the hourly. But if we look, where's the what am I looking for? I'm going to show you why I had my level where it was before rather than now, but I can't seem to find you any reason for that. Okay. Never mind. Do not listen to me right now. Just talking bollocks. Okay. We basically closed that resistance, so I kind of want to see price close a little bit lower. So maybe we can get something like this half-hour candle. If this half-hour candle can flip bearish, close below the level, and then the second half-hour candle close bullish, then I'll look to take some buys. But right now I'm just I'm a bit hesitant because it's closed at the support. Closed at the support. My Western Road flows well banging. It's annoying, these headphones are broken, so I can't even listen to music whilst I stream. Create another thumbnail, fuck it. Let's do another one. My free trial has come to an end. Damn. Gonna have to make another account at some point, guys. That sucks. So we formed a little bit of support on the 15-minute. We broke the highs, but we haven't closed below. Fucking hell, look at that 15-minute candle. No bottom wick or top wick. That's crazy. Crazy candle. Yeah, so there's a possibility we have a bit of a pullback here. I wouldn't be surprised if we pull back a little bit up towards 156.85. That's possible before driving down. I could see that maybe happening. As for like what I'm going to do with this trade, I'm probably just going to hold it based on the higher time frames. I don't see any reason why I'd close any of the trade out at the moment. If we close, if we form support on the hourly, I'll probably close the trade out, like take the rest of the money off. But until then, I don't see any reason to do anything with the trade right now. Let's see what gold does here. It's possible gold just flips and fills the range, and then we can't get a trade. I mean, we could maybe get a sell if it continues to push down and break below 1893. But what I want to see is a kind of push down, bearish close, and then next candle is a bullish candle, closes above 1900, and then we can look to take some buys back to fill the range at up to like 1906. It's plausible that we can come all the way up and hit our entry point. That is a possibility. Or we're just creating a top wick to continue pushing down. I mean, it's quite a big candle. The top wick could be anywhere. It could just be here. It could push all the way up to here. It could even push basically where our entry is and tag us out. I just have to see. On the lower time frames, You know, I mean, the top wick on the hourly could just be a little pullback on the lower time frames. To me, it makes sense for the top wick to end around 156.854. So if it closes any higher than that on the 15, I'd expect that maybe we are actually reversing and rejecting off this level. But yeah, I mean, it's plausible that we pull back to 156.85. That's pretty likely. But it's also plausible we pull back a lot further, all the way up to 156.9. You know, that is very possible. But as long as you've got a plan for each scenario, it's pretty chill. You don't have to really panic or anything. It's just, you just let the market do its thing, see what happens. And yeah, that's about it. That's about it. I'll show you the trade I took yesterday in gold. This was off stream. And it's a pretty nice trade. It was a breakout of this level here. I got long on the flip, or just about here, so I had my stop. I had a pretty tight stop as well. It was about a 16 pip stop, and I waited for a little bottom wick. We touched this level that I drew. I placed my buy stop, and my target was unfortunately my target wasn't all the way up there. My target was, there was a resistance level. If you go to the left, there was a resistance level that stopped about here. So it was about actually, I think my stop was a bit bigger than that. My stop might have been like 18 pips. It ended up being about a 2-hour trade, and it was very clean. Just went straight to TP. No chop or anything. Very nice trade. And then obviously we had CPI. It was a bit of a whipsaw CPI, so it would have been a bit hard to trade that. But if anyone did trade that, fair play if you made any money. And if you didn't make any money, if you lost money, it's a lesson. It is a lesson. People are sleeping today. Sleepers. You know, it's because the New York session hasn't started. As soon as NY's session starts, that's when all the people come in and decide to watch the stream. Until then, it's quiet. It's real quiet. looking like we might flip now. This hourly candle, it's pulling back a bit, so hopefully we can flip and continue pushing down, and yeah, it'd be pretty nice. Any counter trend traders are going to be a bit, if they're in any trades right now, they're going to be having a bit of sweaty palms, like shit, why is price turning around now? Some people will have bought here, they're long, they're trying to, like, you know, take profits up at like 157. Price is coming back on them. They're like, damn, what's going on right now? It stops below this candle low, the candle's pushing lower. And there'll also been people that got short, you know, around here, and this candle up here is pushed up, stopped them out, and it's coming down. Six votes on the poll. Yeah, I'm interested in doing another AI. Oh, I can't even do any more AI things, can I? Shit. Got to make a new account. Mid-Journey. Should probably do this off stream so you can't see my login information. Mid-Journey AI. Let's make a new account then. Join the beta. Wow, 8 million members. That's crazy. UST Used shorted GBPJPY. I don't know what you mean. I'm not sure what you mean, bro. I'm not sure. RN good vibes. Are you saying you shorted GBPJPY? I shorted GBPJPY? UUST? I have no idea what that means. Oh, just. Nice. I am also short on pound yen. But I've been short on pound yen for a little while now. Been in this position for, what time did I get in? 10 o'clock. I've been in this position for fucking 2.5 hours. Damn. Yeah, I've been in this trade for a while now. No, that's not right. Did I get in at 10? Yeah, I did. Shit. Yeah, I've been in this trade for 2.5 hours, guys. Crazy. That's a long trade. I'm not normally in the trades for that long. But I suppose like the first part of the trade I was not in for that long. I was only in the first part of the trade for, I want to say, an hour. And you know, now I've closed partials and stops at break even. I'm just letting the rest run. So the main part of the trade, you know, the nail biting part of the trade, I was only in for an hour. So it's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. Just gonna grab myself a glass of water, guys. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. Took a bit longer because I was getting a little bite to eat. Still haven't eaten properly today. Been a long day. I've been up since 6 AM. Still got a lot to do as well. There's a lot left to do for the day. You know what? I'm going to allow the sunglasses for now. I'm not really feeling them. Do we like to? How did the half hour close? Alright, the half hour closed pretty bearish, to be fair. It reject pretty heavily. So long as we don't break the half hour highs, we should be good to push down again, I'd expect. So we'll see how this moves. As for the gold, yeah, gold filled the range. Not that surprising, to be fair. We can still take buys above here. Ideally, we don't break 1899 on this candle. I'd rather, if we're going to close above, probably going to be looking at trades in an hour for buys if we do come back up. It's possible, you know, keep pushing down and break 1893, which we could then look to take some sales. But yeah, for now, there's nothing. And we're just going to keep our focus on pound yen. Fucking hell, mate. Looking at myself in the camera, I look so tired. Maybe I do need to put these back on, honestly. It's a pretty horrible sight for you guys. Leave me alone. Ice again. Oh, I haven't heard this tune in ages. What's this? Blue tune. My headphones look so stupid right now. It's because they're broken. Like. But just gotta make do. 20 minutes till NY Open, guys. 20 minutes. And then the stream will get busy. All these sleepers are going to be awake and you're going to be on the stream. There's one person watching right now. You lazy motherfucker's not even awake yet. Disgraceful. What is going to happen with pound yen? Who knows? Only you know. Can we move another 30 pips? I think we can. There's a lot of volume in the market right now. I don't think 30 pips is an unreasonable amount to move. 15 previous closed bearish. It's a good sign. Can we close bearish on the next candle? Can we drive down? It's the $1 million question. Can we close bearish on the hourly? Even if we don't, it's not the end of the world. I'd like to see us close bearish on the hourly though, really. I think if we don't close bearish on the hourly, it's going to be a bit of a techie one. I might close it out. But we'll see. There's still 19 minutes, which is plenty of time for something to happen. I'd say in the next 10 minutes we'll see a bit of volume coming in. It's been a bit quiet on this candle. This last hour there's not been much movement. So we're gonna have to see what happens. Apparently Canada is legalizing the possession of 2.5 grams of any drugs, as long as the cumulative weight is no more than 2.5 grams. But Canada is also banning leverage crypto trading and USDT. Right. Makes sense. Of January. Can't even use chat GPT, set a capacity. Damn. How did the 15 close? Okay, nice. The 15 close rejecting. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Can we break the lows? Can we break the current lows? Current 30 lows. Can they be broken? Probably not. I imagine we're going to close like a doji on the hourly, unless there's a last minute push. I wouldn't be surprised if we close as a doji and then the New York Open decides the direction. I can't trust these pages. Jason. Time do I finish streaming? Good question. So yeah guys, I'm going to be streaming probably just till 2 o'clock today because we've got news at 3, so I'm not going to hold any trades. I won't be entering any trades at when the news drops, and I won't be entering any trades on the half-hour candle before the news. So for me, I'm probably just going to stream till 2 today. Obviously we hopped on early because we got in a trade around 10 o'clock. That's the reason I started the stream earlier today. But yeah, we're going to chill on stream here for probably another hour and 10 minutes at least, and we'll see where this GJ goes. And we can possibly get positions on gold, but probably unlikely for now. So look here. Super quiet today on the stream. Super quiet. Right. Fine. Oh, I'm going to change the thumbnail for the stream, guys. It's going to be better now. Well, it's just going to be different. Yeah, that's better. Nice, we're pushing down on GJ, which is good. Hopefully this hourly can close like it's what it's doing right now. That'd be great. Alright, we're breaking the lows down here. This is good to see. Hopefully we don't reject. Hopefully we can close through. That'd be great. There is a chance we reject and stay in this kind of choppy area, but we're getting a lot of volume coming through now pre-New York Open, so ideally we can push down to 156.4 and then I will look to close some more of this position out. At the moment we're not quite there yet, so just going to sit patiently and wait. But let's get the dub music on, because we have taken a little dub, so let's get it on. Yeah. Let's get this music on. Oh, if we can close below this level here, that would be amazing. That'd be great. Right, guys, I'm going to close another half here. Right, so we've got 25% left running, so I'm just going to a marker here. But yeah, dubs. So yeah guys, the plan is with this trade, if we, I mean ideally we close through the level, but if we close above and then the next candle rejects it heavily, I'll just close the full trade out. But yeah, just looking to ride this thing down. There's a chance we come right all the way down, so with the volume of NY open as well, we could just have a heavy push now, so let's see what it does. Dubs in the chat though. Dubs in the chat. Let's play this. I'm in this bitch up there. I'm not here for the stacks. Better grab an umbrella. I'll make it rain. Yeah, we're closing above. Alright, it's fine. I'll make it rain. I'll make it rain. I'll make it run in horse. Get me on. You know what, guys? I'm going to close full here, actually. I'll tell you why. The reason I'm closing full here is obviously you want to maximize my profits, but I actually am going to look to maybe sell again. Just because we closed above the level, I'm going to potentially look for more sells here. So I'm going to mark this. So we've closed full now. We're out of this position. So yeah, on this next hourly close. Actually no, there's news. We can't even enter. Just realised. Damn. Oh well. We've taken a nice amount of profit today. Obviously we could have left it to run, but profit's profit at the end of the day, innit? Can't complain. I don't expect we're going to break through here now. I think we're going to chop until the news anyway. If we do break and run, then it is what it is. I've messed up the opportunity there, but I'm cool with closing where I did. I'm just going to put that there. But yeah. Where did we actually close out at? Let's take a look. $1.30. 50 pips. It's not bad. It's not bad, guys. Oh shit. Got a head for the stage, baby. Grab an umbrella, I'll make it rain. Yeah, guys, sorry, I was bugging out. We can take trades below here. So if we get a closure below here in about an hour, I can look to take a short. And yeah, that's the reason I closed the trade out, because I was like, I might as well take the profits full here just in case we reject. And then if we can get a closure below this level, I can look to take some more shorts, because we've got a lovely 90 pip range. So yeah, nice clean trade, fake out trade in the direction of the trend. Pretty obvious. Pretty clean. Just, yeah, nice trade. Everybody know everybody. There's a sound of police in the room. Sound of police in the hood. I'm just going to put some royalty-free music on, guys, just while so I'm going to go make myself some lunch, just until, because I'm going to be waiting until around 2 o'clock or 9 o'clock US time, so let's go YouTube. Yeah, I'll just let this music play, that's fine. Alright. Right guys, yeah, I'll be back. I'll be about 20 minutes, something like that, maybe 15 minutes. So if you're a bit bored, feel free to come back to the stream in like 20 minutes when I'm back, or you can just leave it on. But yeah, I'm not going to be doing anything for about that 20 minutes. So I'll see you then.
changes.
Right, losers, I am back. Howdy, hello. Let's put some music on. I'm guessing no one is watching the stream right now. Which is fine, no problemo. As for the markets, what's going on? Yeah, nice push up. Maybe get some buys on gold. Sells on GJ are a bit, yeah, they're okay. Not bad. Still got 15 minutes here to wait. Problem with sells, the stops are going to be pretty big unless we pull back. So for GJ, probably not going to look to take sells unless we get a bit of a pullback, somewhere to like here or something. And then gold. We'll do it off the 30. Look to take some buys maybe, if we can get closure above here. Stop will be below the previous 30. Got about 40 pip stops, quite big, but who cares? Not me. And yeah, basically what we're looking for. We need a pullback on GJ to get in. Use hourly stops. Yeah, just gotta wait it out now. Gotta wait it out. I'm gonna eat a double decker like a fat fuck. Damn. That double decker's killed me off, man. Wow. Maybe that's a sign from God to stop eating shit. To be honest, my diet's not even that bad. It's pretty good compared to the average person. I'd say I'm considerably healthier than the average person. Not to flex, but most people are pretty unhealthy. It's 12 minutes here. Can we get a closure on gold above 1899.7? You know, I'm going to go and drag that to, yeah, 1899.8. And I will look to take some shorts if we can get a pullback on GJ. If we can get a pullback to, I want to say 156.3, I'll actually look to take shorts. Otherwise, it's kind of pushed too far for me. So, yeah. This thing might just drive. It's quite possible. It just goes. It just drops like a falling knife.
Nonsense, getting old, so I'm spreading this bitch. They had to count 'em like
Do you think GJ is going to pull back? It's not like I don't think so. It's not looking like it's going to pull back unless we get really strong bullish momentum in the last 5 minutes. So I think the focus is gold right now. I could get a fairly nice trade on gold if we just get in a decent position. Seven people watching. Wow, where have you guys been? Where were you guys earlier? What's going on? Are you guys up or down for the day? Let me know in the chat. 56% of you said your trading week has been good. Nice, it's good to hear. Makes a change. Most of the time people's trading week is not good. Well guys, maybe I should have held this. I was in a GJ short from this little fake out here. I got in on the break of this low. I closed out profits at 56.4 and now it's driving. I actually had my TP down here originally, but I closed it out here because I thought we might chop. And yeah, so it is what it is. Still made money, can't complain, but we are driving now, which kind of sucks. But you can't win them all. Can't win them all. Also, profit is profit. Like, it's better than taking an L. I was actually anticipating this to, you know, take more sales off this, but it's just driving. If it had closed, you know, around where I put my entry, around 156.3, I would be able to get in. You know, it could pull back in the last 3 minutes, but I highly doubt it. If it does, I will take positions, but yeah, it probably won't. And gold is not wanting to break out. Not right now. What do you guys think of the new thumbnail? Do you like it, or shall I change it back? This 4 hour candle's going crazy right now. Look at this. Look how many 4 hour candles are red in a row. It's mad. Absolutely mad. God, imagine if you got short here. like a breakout here. Break of this low. Maybe TP all the way down here. Nice, isn't it? That's not what I've done. Right, GJ's probably a wrap, honestly. I doubt I'm gonna get a position on GJ right now. Gold is looking promising. We've got 1 minute 20 here. Let's see if we can get a position. Gotta wait for the closure. Just need a closure above this level, and then we can take a position. We don't need much of a bottom wick at all as well if this position does close above. Literally like the tiniest bottom wick and then we can get in. So. Five seconds here. Are we going to close it? No, we're going to close through or not? Right, we've closed through. Have we closed through on the broker? Yes, we have. Just need a wick down now and I can get a buy stop in. We might just drive though. If we drive, then I can't get in. But let's see here. Do we get a bottom wick? Are you going to give us that bottom wick? Yes or no? No, you're just going to go. You're just going to drive. You're really going to do me like this? Oh, GJ. Yeah, GJ did not close good. Did not close good at all. Come on, give us a bottom wick and then we can go. I'm just going to move this up a bit. Entry will be 5.9. Alright, I've got a buy stop on gold. No, I haven't. Not yet. Didn't wick down enough. Right, I actually have a buy stop now on gold. Not activated yet. It's on the break of the current highs. Just going to zoom in a bit. Just going to drag it up slightly. Alright, nice. So, yeah. Buy stop break of the current highs. We're not activated as of yet, but we have got the buy stop placed. Yeah, that's pretty much it for now. A bit higher up this. As for, okay, let's take a look here then. I think for me, the break-even point is going to have to be. It's going to have to be this area here, isn't it? It makes the most sense. If we look left, you know what? Looking left is not happening because price is so far. It is so far from there. Alright, we're creating a bit of a bottom wick now. I'm not in this trade yet, by the way. I have not been filled. So we don't need to think about this stuff yet. if it's going to flip up and push up, I imagine this bottom wick's going to be pretty small. Yeah, it's literally going to be something very small, like tap the level and then flip. So I'd expect to get filled pretty soon if we're going to move up. I'm just going to put my BE magic keys in as well. If you hear a noise, do not panic, it's just that. Right, we've been filled, guys. We're in the trade on the broker. I believe. This is a little bit higher. What's it look like on the broker? We're just above. Yeah, okay, this is what it looks like on the broker. So we've been filled, we're in this trade now. Put a little thing saying in this trade now. Let's see how it moves. It's either going to move back up, fill this range, or it's going to come back down to this range and just chop. So let's just see how we move now. Starting to push down a little bit here. As for managing risk, I think if we push down and break the 15-minute low here, over here, I'm probably going to close out 50% of the trade at least. I think anyway, just looking at the rest of it. Yeah. Let's take a look at this on the 15. I feel like that makes sense, because if we're breaking this 15 low here, there's a much higher chance we're going to keep driving down, fill this range. So, you know, if we can reduce the loss we take, if this trade is a losing trade, I believe we'll be able to reduce the loss if we manage the risk on the break of this low. But there's a chance, you know, the candle flips and drives up, so let's just see what happens, you know. Got 4 people watching. We're actually in a trade now, guys, so it should be a bit more interesting to watch. Candles flip bullish, so let's see if we can drive. Change this. We're flipping up. Hopefully we can drive up to the BE point. That'd be ideal, because I want to go to the gym. But yeah, let's just see how this thing moves now. I guess we'll view it on the 15. What music we got? Drake. Right, hopefully we can get a nice little push up here. Let's just see what happens. I'm just going to move... What am I viewing on this time frame? I'm just going to move over to the left. Just see if there's anywhere that price might struggle to go through. We have pretty clean traffic, so now I think we're good to just push up. If price wants to go up, it should fill this range. And yeah. that is that. We've got news at 3, so we've got news in about an hour, so hopefully this trade can play out in the next hour. Otherwise I'll probably, it's not massive news, so maybe I'll stay in the trade, but yeah, we'll see how it plays. How many people are watching? 3 people watching, nice. We've got 505 subs. We've broken through the 500 barrier. It took enough time. We finally did it. Feels good, man. And yeah. See how this thing moves. You know, guys, I'm going to move this here. So if price does flip back bearish and breaks its own low, I'm going to close 50% of the trade out, because if this thing is going to drive up and fill the range, it shouldn't break its low on the 15. It shouldn't do that. So yeah, that's I'm just going to put that there. Because if price does come back down, break its own low, there's a good chance that it's going to flip bearish and just drive down, because there's no real reason that it should do that now. Like, if we are driving up, if we're going to fill this range, or if we're going to go to at least 1904, like, there's no real reason that that should happen. Let's just lock in here. Keep the focus. Stay focused. And we've got 4 minutes on the 15-minute candle close. Can we drive? Come on. Give us that drive that we need. Getting a nice push now. Nearly at the break-even point, just need to let it move a little bit higher and then we will be at break-even. Are we going to reject off this little wick here? Surely not. Can we push up? Got 2 minutes on the close. Are we going to pop our break even now, or are we going to, what are we going to do? No, not going to hit it yet. Doesn't want to do it yet. Wow, some heavy rejection here. Hopefully we don't close as an exhaustion candle, because that would not be great. Not be great. I'm pretty confident we're going to hit our 50% mark. I'll be slightly surprised if we don't, but it's all good even if we don't. It's all good, baby. It was all a dream. I used to read Word magazine. I mean, theoretically, this trade is still valid. Even if it comes all the way down, doesn't break the low and just tests this level again, it's still valid. But really, I don't want to see that happen. That would not be great. Best thing for this trade would just be to drive up. That's what I want it to do. Got 24 seconds on the close here. Let's see what it does. 6 seconds. If we close like this candle we've got now, oh no, we pull back a bit. It's not ideal, but it's not bad. The trade's still valid. It's just I would have liked to see it drive up to our break-even point first. But you know, you never get what you wish for. Let's just see what we do now. Maybe we can get a nice wick fill and just keep pushing up. Coming down on the half hour now. See, I was tempted to put my break-even point here, but I normally do it more like based on the bodies of the candle when it's a flip, when it's not, you know, going the same way, if that makes sense. It doesn't look great on the 30, but we could just be making a bottom wick before we drive up, so. There's going to be some people here that did a similar trade to me. They went to break even, probably the break even point was here, and they took some profits, and now they've probably been stopped out at this point, I'd imagine. But yeah, going to stick to the rules I've got for this trade. If we break the previous 15 low, I will close 50% of the trade, because, you know, if it's going to drive up, it shouldn't do that. It shouldn't do that. So just got to be patient here and let the market do what it's going to do. Because the market will do whatever the fuck it wants to do. Can't control the market, but you can control what you do. You can control how you manage yourself and manage your risk that you've got on. That's all you can do, really. Hey, can you please explain how does pairs react to negative or positive news? Like how does US dollar JPY react to positive USD news? What? Bro, there's a thing called Google, my friend. It's pretty obvious, man. Like if the news comes out positive for the dollar, it means the dollar's strong. So anything that's paired against the dollar is going to go down. So like, for example, gold is priced against the dollar. So if the dollar is strong, gold will go down. But if the dollar is the first pair, so like US dollar against the pound yen, so you're talking about US dollar JPY. Well, if the dollar's strong, then US dollar JPY will go up. The market will go up. Just do your research, man. I'm not trying to bash you right now. I'm just saying, like, research the major news events that affect the forex markets. So like research CPI, research FOMC, research PMI, PPI, like all the major news events, and yeah, you'll get a feel for like which ones move the market more and what effect they're going to have. I mean, I don't personally trade the news, so I don't actually necessarily care of the outcome. I just, like wait to see what happens and then assess after. But if you're trading the news, yeah, you need to know the effects of positive and negative news outcomes, etc., etc. So. But yeah, generally, like, let's say you have dollar news. If it's negative, pairs that are priced against it will go up. So if you're trading, euro dollar, euro USD, and you're wanting to buy it, and the news is coming out, and you're in a position, you want news to come out negative for the dollar, so that your trade does better. Because if you're long on euro dollar and then the news for the dollar comes out negative, then the market's going to go up and you'll be in profit. But if it's if the price of the dollar, if the news for the dollar is good, then euro USD will go down because the value of the dollar is higher than the value of the euro. Does that make sense? I'm not very good at explaining stuff like that, but it makes sense in my head. And if it doesn't make sense, just Google it. I'm sure there's YouTube videos that explain it better than I can. Sorry, I didn't realise I have the stream up on my computer. I didn't mute it, so there might have been a bit of an echo. I don't know how long that's going to be going on for, but I've just muted it. So yeah. Let's see how this half-hour candle closes then. How are you going to close then? 5 minutes left. Are we going to close bearish on the half hour? Sorry, the half hour is... I'm tripping. I'm talking about the 15. If the 15 closes bearish, it's not really that big a deal because the half hour is still closing bullish. Should be able to get a wick fill. It might not be too bad. But yeah, let's see here. So if we do look at this on the 30-minute time frame, if we close similar to how we are looking right now, there is no reason why the 30-minute will break the previous low if it wants to drive up. It may wick down a little bit, but if the candle closes like this with a big long wick, so long as we don't break the low, the trade is still pretty valid. Like I mean it's still valid if it breaks the low, but it's less valid. So yeah, if it closes like this, it may push up now, but if it closes like this, just got to be wary. The bottom wick could come down. So long as we don't break the low, you don't need to do anything. But if we do break the low, then we will close 50% of the position. Interesting to see here. Is gold going to fill this range, or is it going to come back into this range? What are we going to do? So close to the break-even point, guys. It's kind of funny. Be a shame if we don't reach it. Three minutes left. I don't even know if I've got any subscribers today from streaming. It's weird, like streaming's strange. Some days you stream and you get loads of subscribers, some days you get nothing. But that's why you just gotta turn up all the time and stream. I say that and I don't even stream every day, but I try to do at least 3 streams a week. That's my rule. Minimum 3 streams a week. If I do more then that's great, but 3 minimum. And I'll have a video dropping on Sunday, guys. How to manage drawdown in trading. When I say drawdown, I mean like on your account, not whilst you're in a trade. So like how to manage being in account drawdown. That's going to be the video. Kind of a video that I wish that I'd seen myself. Can you tell us GBPJPY? I can tell you that GBPJPY is going down. And I'm not taking any trades on it. I traded it this morning. If you go to the very start of the stream, you'll see that I was in a position on pound yen. I was short. I basically traded it from here down to here, about 50 pips. But I'm no longer looking at it right now, so I'm afraid I will not be viewing that chart much. Just going to be focusing on gold right now, as we are in a position. Currently running at, on the broker, we're about 16 pips in profit right now. Our break-even point is, on the broker it's roughly, let's have a look here, 30 pips. So I think it's about the same on TradingView. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's similar, 30, 31 pips. You know, it might be too far, we might not hit it, but let's just see. Let's just see what the price does. Got 1 minute till the half hour close. I'd like to see price not close as too big on the rejection, but you know, let's just see 50 seconds here. The cleanest thing for us here would be if the 15 closes bullish. If it closes bearish, it's still valid, but if it closes bullish, it's been better. Got 9 seconds left. 2, 1. Okay, we closed bearish on the 15. This is what it looks like on the half hour. Still fine. You know, it's not a problem. We've got, is it NYSE open? Is that now? I always forget when that is. Yeah, NYSE open is now. So we'll have maybe a little bit more volume from that. Let's see if gold can just pop up a bit more with that volume. Yeah. Goes on the 15. So yeah, we could break the 15 lows of the previous candle, but I'm not so much worried if we do that. It's more the 30-minute low. So I'm just going to change this to 30-minute low now, if we break that. But we're kind of driving up now, which is quite nice. So let's just see what happens here. You know what, guys, we've got news coming up in half an hour, so I'm going to play it safe here and I'm going to move my stop to break even now. It's a bit premature and we could get stopped out, but I'm just going to do it because I just don't want to have that risk for now. So I'm just going to move it. Right, okay, stopped at B. Move this. Looks like we're pushing up towards my break-even point anyway, but I thought I'd just play it safe, move the stop to break-even, just because I don't want to be in a dodgy position when the news drops, if you get what I mean. Let's just change that. Yes. I haven't closed any partials yet. I'm going to wait for price to just pop up a bit more before I close anything. But yeah, stop is now at BE. What we really need to do if we're going to drive up, we just need to break the previous high and then we should be good to drive. It's just price is just struggling there at the moment. We just need to break that and then we should fly. Price just needs to drink a bit of Red Bull, give itself a bit of wings, and then it can fly up gracefully. I think it's just broken the high. Has it broken the high? It has on the broker. And we just need to see if it can run now. Come on, price. Come on, drive. You know you want to drive. There we go. Right, I'm going to close half here. Nice. Okay, we've closed half the position. We've got 50% still running towards TP. I'm going to just mark this up. Closed 50% here. It's another dub, guys. Small little dub, but it's better than nothing. Better than a, what do they say? Better than a kick in the teeth or whatever they fucking say, I don't know. Alright. Yeah, just going to let this rock up now. If it comes back, it comes back, is what it is. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just play a little song because we took a dub. Guys, 2 dubs today. It's been a good day, you know. It's been a good day. I had a bad start to the week off stream. Took some trades in the London off stream. Start of the week, but we're back. It's all good. Just got to manage yourself when you're losing. But yeah. Anyway, guys, it's been a nice little stream. We hopped on early today. Not been many viewers today, only 3, but still, it's been good. I'm going to call it a day now because we've got news at 3, and I don't really want to be trading during the news. So I'm just going to let this position rock for a little bit longer off stream, but I'll probably just close it out pretty soon. But yeah, it's been a beautiful stream, guys, as always. And I will be back streaming. What day will I be back streaming? I should be back on Monday, so I'll catch you guys on Monday. See you then.